Hello, everyone. Very good afternoon. I share the same sentiments, Eric. It's awesome seeing everybody in person after 2 years of doing this online. It's just crazy. I mean, the first 2 hours of my day today was just catching up with people. It's the same faces, seeing them again. It's just amazing. So yes, Megha Daga here. I'm the Senior Director, Product Management at the IoT Group in Qualcomm. I lead the AI portfolio across the IoT verticals. Very exciting area to be in today's world. My topic today would be around the seamless deployment of multimedia and machine learning applications at the edge. Before I go further into the topic, I do want to spend just a few minutes on the topic edge itself. Edge has taken several nomenclatures in the industry today. The way I will be using edge is in two forms. We see edge anything that's closer to the sensor itself, the source itself. So it can be on the device, or it could be a box that's connected to several of these devices which are smartly enabled. So we will be talking about whole end-to-end edge deployment from the device and the boxes, making them smartly enabled. So with that going forward, we start with just the use case, right? Where are we and where the problem statements are arriving today? So we all here kind of understand that in many years, in the last few years actually, we have seen a whole lot of applications moving from the cloud deployment onto the edge deployment, be it on the device or the gateways and the boxes. That has kind of been driven through many drivers, prominent drivers of be it latency requirements or cost or bandwidth or privacy. All these have acted as huge forces behind making this move possible from cloud to the edge. On top of it, what we have also seen is, aside from just the applications that used to exist before, there has been a lot more increase in smart enablement of the environment we are in. And as we are trying to make that environment we are interacting with, the things we are interacting with, more smarter, the applications and the compute requirements on the edge have increased.